Hey, what's up? Welcome to Share Market 101, your beginner's guide to understanding the world of stocks and investing. Whether you're just curious or ready to take your first step, you're in the right place. If you're brand new to the stock market, this is the perfect place to start. Maybe you've heard friends or family talk about stocks, or you've seen news about the market going up and down, but you're not sure what it all means. Don't worry, you're not alone. Everyone starts somewhere. I get it. The world of stocks can seem like a wild maze at first. Numbers, charts, all those tickers flying around. It can feel overwhelming, almost like you need a secret code just to understand what's going on. But trust me, it's way less scary than it looks. Once you break it down, you'll see that investing is actually pretty straightforward, and it can even be fun. Let's break it down. What even is the stock market? Why do people talk about it so much, and why does it matter to you? Imagine it like a giant marketplace where people buy and sell pieces of companies. Instead of fruits or clothes, the items being traded are shares of businesses you know, like tech companies, banks, or even your favorite brands. These pieces are called shares or stocks. Each share represents a small ownership in a company, and the more shares you own, the bigger your stake. When you buy a share, you own a tiny slice of that company. It's like being a mini partner in the business, even if you only own a single share. If the company does well, your slice can grow in value, and you can even get paid a bit of the company's profit, called a dividend. Some companies share their profits with shareholders every few months, which can be a nice bonus on top of your investment growing. So, who gets to buy and sell? Pretty much anyone. You don't need to be a financial expert or have a ton of money to get started. The stock market is open to all kinds of people, from students to retirees. All you need is a brokerage account. That's like an online bank, but for stocks. There are lots of apps and websites that make it super easy to open an account, often with just a few clicks. You put in some money, search for the company you want, and click buy. Boom, you're a shareholder. It's really that simple to get started, and you can invest as little or as much as you want. Now, stocks go up and down all the time. Why? Well, the price of a stock changes based on what people think the company is worth, and that can change every day. It's a mix of things: how well the company's doing, what's happening in the world, and how investors feel about the future. News about the economy, new products, or even global events can make prices jump or drop. No one can predict the market perfectly, so don't stress about timing it just right. Even the pros get it wrong sometimes, and that's totally normal. Here's a quick tip: don't put all your eggs in one basket. If you invest all your money in just one company, you're taking a big risk. That's why many beginners start with something called index funds. These are special investments that let you own a little bit of lots of companies at once. These let you buy a tiny bit of hundreds of companies at once. So if one company has a bad day, it won't ruin your whole investment. It's a smart way to spread out your risk and keep your money safer. It's a simple way to spread out your risk. Plus, index funds usually have lower fees and are easy to manage, making them perfect for beginners who want to start slow and steady. Oh, and about those crazy headlines. Stocks crash, markets soar. Don't let them mess with your head. The news loves drama, but real investing is about patience, not panic. The best investors play the long game. They know that markets go up and down, but over time, they tend to grow. They buy shares, hold on, and let their investments grow over years, not days. The magic of investing is in letting your money work for you over the long haul. So if you're thinking about getting started, take it slow. Learn as you go. There's no rush, and every bit of knowledge you pick up will help you make smarter choices. Try out a practice account if you want. Many platforms offer simulators where you can trade with fake money and see how things work before you risk your own cash. And remember, every pro investor was once a total newbie, just like you. The most important thing is to start, keep learning, and not be afraid to make mistakes along the way. If you want more tips on building wealth and understanding money, hit that subscribe button. We'll be sharing more guides, tips, and stories to help you on your journey. Let's grow together, one share at a time. Remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with a single step, and you've just taken yours. Keep learning, stay curious, and happy investing.